I am Jaavid Iqbal. I belong to district Batgram, KPK. I have achieved degree of Dars Nizami from Jamia Darul Uloom Karachi in 2007. I am also a PhD scholar in Islamic studies. I am a government employee. I have a very busy schedule. I have a wish to learn the procedure and methodology of Ifta. So may Allah blessed me with a very good platform, that is online Alami Majlis Muftiyan Kerám. This platform is under the supervision of a well-learned scholars of Islamic institutions of Pakistan like Maulana Zahidul Rashidi, Nusratul Uloom Gujranwala, Mufti Alamgir, Jamia Imdadiya Faisalabad, Mufti Ijaz, Jamia Imdadiya Faisalabad, Mufti Shahid Ubaid, Jamia Ashrafiya Lahore, and Mufti Zahid Saab Jamia Imdadiya Faisalabad, Hafidahumullah. I am thankful to all the members and administration of online Alami Majlis Muftiyan Kerám. I request to all the Muslims and scholars to appreciate this institution. Thank you.